So there is a real crisis going on in the African American community on this issue, but it is a more pervasive issue.
Unfortunately, reform has been held hostage to political posturing and special interest wrangling, and to the pervasive sentiment in Washington that tackling such a thorny and emotional issue is inherently bad politics. But that's always our goal, to free families from the pervasive fear that one illness or one injury might cost you everything that you dedicated a lifetime to build. In our world, a sense that the very forces that have brought us together have created new dangers and made it difficult for any single nation to insulate itself from global forces.
Thank you, Wayne, and thank you, Mrs. Obama, for helping us highlight the pervasive impact of design on our lives.
Expectations rise, then, faster than governments can deliver, and a pervasive sense of injustice undermine people's faith in the system. Indeed, Shimon's contribution to this nation is so fundamental, so pervasive, that perhaps sometimes they can be overlooked.